Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial 19 in our series on how to build website with HTML and CSS. In the last tutorial, we learned how to bold and italicize text from the CSS section. And today we're going to learn how to create a space indent and also how to align text to the center. We will also learn how to change background color of your web page. Okay, now before we proceed, of course you have to have some text in the body and you must have input some parameters. On this body here we have some text, how to make the tall paragraph. We also have the tall is made from certain group of industrial chemicals. It's a header 4, and so these are the text we're going to work on. Now to align text to the center means that we want this text to be at the center of the web page. This text to be at the center of the web page. Now let me show you something. Let me push this text to the center. Let me save and refresh. Nothing happens. Now this is because HTML is insensitive of space. If it were Microsoft Word, if you hit it, space it, it moves. But in HTML, it does not happen that way. So it is space insensitive. So you have to attach a special tag to it before it moves to the center. Alright, to align the text, this text to the center, we will come to the head section here, CSS section here, and then put the parameter P here, and then in this special bracket, you now type in text. Text is already here. Then instead of this dash and wait, you now type in align. Just type in ALIGN, align, and then instead of this bold, just put center. Just put center. Okay, this is a tag that you can use to align your text to the center. Anytime you want to position any text at the center of your web page, if you want to do that from the CSS section, then you must first identify the parameter to the text, which is P, and then write this special bracket, open and close, inside text align, dash align, then colon center. Now let's save to see what happened, and let's refresh. You can see our text has been moved to the center of the page. It is now how to make the tall is at the center of the page. Now let's go back to see how to create space indent. Space indent means that you want your text, for example, let me copy this, paste it here. I want to have paste it here. Okay, let me remove this. Let me paste this here. Okay, I've closed the paragraph. Now let me show you something. If I push this way, I want to have a space indent, and let me save. Let's refresh to see what will happen. Obviously nothing will happen. I wanted to indent this text here. It will not be indented because this is HTML. If it were Microsoft Word now, it would have been easier for me to just press it, space it, and it goes to the center or some distance away from the left hand border. But for HTML, it can't be done like that. So you're going to add a special tag. You're going to use a special tag to create space indent. For example, let's first identify the parameter, that is H4. And so here we'll have the H4. And then in this special bracket, we'll type in texts, okay, then hyphen, we'll now write indent, a column, and then let's leave this indent at, say, maybe 25 pixels, 25. Now to create a space indent, what you do is that you select your parameter, which is h4, is already here, and then you have this special bracket, open and close. Then inside you write text minus indent, and then colon. Then let's leave it at 25 pixels, semicolon, and then you close it with this special bracket here. And now let's save to see what we have. You can see an indent, space indent, has been created from the left hand side of the web page to the detour. You can see there's a space there. There's a space there. So that's how you create indent using tag within the CSS. The next thing we'll do now is how we can change the background color of our text. How you can change the background color of our web page, the background color of our web page. Now to change the background color of your web page, you come to the CSS section here. You include, let's change the background color. You include this tag here that will effect the change on the body. First you write body, okay, and then this special bracket. Then inside the special bracket you write background, dash, then color, hyphen, then let's change the color to blue. Let's leave it at blue. Then semicolon, and then you close. Now let's save and refresh to see what we have. The color of our web page has changed to blue. You can see how you can effect color change from the CSS, and that's why we say CSS is so powerful. So this is the tag, very simple: body, space, special bracket here, space, background, dash, color, colon, blue, that's the color we want, semicolon, then you close. Now let's change it. Let's change it to brown. Let's save and refresh. The color has been changed to brown. So that is all we have for you today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial 20 in our series how to build website with HTML and CSS. In the last tutorial, we learned how to change the color of a web page background. We learned how to change the color of a web page background, and we also learned how to change the color of font of the text on a web page. Today we'll go a little bit further on that. Now let's see what we have here. You can see here that the background color is brown, but the text color is black and it's not readable. So let's change the color of the text to a readable color, maybe white. Now the text has the parameter h4. So in this CSS section where you have h4, we'll just go inside here and change the tag that will make the color of the text to be white on the web page. So let's do it now. Here we'll write color. Remove this one and put hyphen here. Let's change this one to white. And now let's save and refresh to see what we've done. Yes, the color of the text of on the web page has changed to white. Obviously, this is better to read than the previous one. It has changed to white. So the header, which is how to make the tour, we can equally do the same thing. So let me copy this. Paste it here. Change this one to P because that's the parameter. We want to effect the change. And now let's save and see what we've done. You can see the header, title header has also changed to how to make the tour in white color. So this is more readable than the black color. So this is how you can change the color of the text on the web page to match the background that will be readable. So that is all we'll be doing on this tutorial. Make sure you practice so that you can perfect it properly. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.